Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a Google account from your phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's go. And but you need to know a thing before you delete a Google account. That is, a Google account is basically a Gmail account, but when you want to delete your Google account, that means that the primary Gmail account which is handling your all the function of your phone is the Google account, but it is still a Gmail account. So now to delete your Google account from your phone, you must go to first of your settings of your phone. Let's go. Here's my settings of my phone, and after you have landed on the settings interface, you need to search for the Google settings option over here. You can see the Google settings over here. Tap on the Google settings, and after that you can see my primary account over here is Matt Bhairav in. And if I want to delete this Google account which is handling all the function of my phone, I must tap on the manage your Google account. So do the same thing with me, just tap on the manage your Google account, and after that you can see the home option is over here, the privacy personal info over here, and the data and privacy over here. Tap on the data and privacy, and after that I'll scroll down a little bit to downwards like this, and after that you can see down delete your Google account option over here just below the make a plan for your digital legacy. Tap on the delete your Google account option, and after that it will need to verify yourself. So let's verify ourselves by tapping on the password, and let's hit next. And so I need to tell you one thing. So you can basically see the please read this carefully, it's not the usual yada 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 by said by Google itself. You can download your data before deleting it, but to delete your account you must scroll down and you must tap on these three condition given by Google. One is there are just two conditions, I guess, after after the update of Google, and you can see these two check marks. Yes, I acknowledge that I'm still responsible for any charges incurred to do any pending financial transactions. I understand that certain circumstances my earnings won't be paid out. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and list their data. Tap on both these two and tap on the delete account. So if you want to delete your account permanently, just tap on the delete account and it will be deleted. Since I don't want to delete my Google account currently, I won't be deleting it, but this is the way to delete it, guys. And there, deleting a Google account from your phone is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.